Hello, everyone. I'm Manuel Bardies, and today we're going to see how to download the patient for testing clinical dosimetry with OpenDose 3D. So we assume you have followed the steps of presented in the previous video, how to install the extensions in 3D Slicer, and how to test that OpenDose 3D is fully functional. So what we need now before we start our first dosimetry is to get a patient that is freely accessible. And for this, we're going to use one of the dataset proposed in the SNMMI dosimetry challenge. So I have here, and I'm going to I'm going to share my screen. Um, Here we go. So I have here opened the page of the SNMMI dosimetry challenge. So to get that link is very easy. We try to put that in the video, but it's just a search on dosimetry challenge. And this is the first that came back, SNMMI dosimetry challenge. So here we are. And if you go down in the page, here you say hello to the team because we are very thankful. Thank you guys because that is very, very, very useful. You see here to the right, access images via Deep Blue. So you press on this and you are led to a page with that presents the anonymized lutetium-177 dataset. And if you go down, so you have several data set. There's one you want. You don't want the planar, you don't want the projections, you don't want the time integrated activity map, you don't want the pre-therapy, you don't want lesion and organ. What you really want is multi-time point lutetium SPECT CT scan. So you get that, you click on the link here, and then if you go down, it says a lot of things you have to note, including how to cite this if you're using that data set. I think it's very important. And then if you go down, we're going to select only one of the two patients. So we're going to select patient 4. And here we're going to download it. So if you download, you can see here it's going to come very quickly. And then you're going to see where it is. It is in the download folder. And I'm going to put that here so you can have a look at the file when it's downloaded. So you can see, well, you need a good internet connection, but okay, it's down here and you've got a zip file. If you unzip the file, what you have is a folder, and in that folder, you've got SPECT-CT 4 time points. So that's what you're going to use. However, you need some extra information that you do not have. And that extra information is here in that file, multi-time point, lutetium, etc. So you're going to open it or you're going to download it, the same thing. And it's here. Now it's a PDF. And if you open the PDF, it gives you information on what is in the file. Okay. If you go down, you've got some very important parameters here. On patient 4, which is the one we downloaded, you have the injected activity and you've got the date of injection. So these are informations that we will need to perform the dosimetry. But here we go. So now we have a folder that contains 4 SPECT-CT, and we have information on administrated activity and time of administration. So you have everything you need to do with the dosimetry, and that is going to be presented in the next video. Thank you for listening.